Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 or Windows 10 Start menu closes automatically. To start, in the search box enter PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. Press Yes to open the terminal. Now run the command on the screen. Press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, execute the command you see in the console. Press Enter to complete it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.